I am Vijay Roy. I am a 2011 fellow teaching in a low income community school in Mumbai. My school is situated in a place called Shivaji Nagar in Mumbai. Though it is in Mumbai, which is the financial capital of India, but it is one of the biggest slum areas. So when I first came to the school, I found big mountains nearby my school. So when I went nearer to find out what was it, I found heaps of garbage. My kids were basically coming from those areas. All of my kids come from this low-income community, which is in Shivaji Nagar, and they come from diverse backgrounds. So slowly, when I started teaching these 60 kids sitting in a small room, 20 by 10, I found that kids coming with various problems. And when they came up with these problems, we tried to find out some solutions. So we planned to play a game called Live India Game, which was basically a social studies game. And in this game, the kids got real life problems. And they used to solve these problems. And it was problems of the states. So the class was divided into groups, and they got each states, and they used to get real life problems, and they came up with sustainable solutions.
We did this Live India game because our India has many problems like getting a problem of alcohol. Elephants are destroying the villages, farms. So we did this to solve the problems, and in this age only we do this. So when we will get elder, we will get more support with this.
So from this one day I asked a question that we are solving problems of India. Why can't we solve the problems of our community? So one of the kids told, so bhaiya, why can't we take out a rally, make some posters and show the parents that yes, we can do it? And we went out with 1,000 people, with the police, the DG of police, with all the ministers and MLAs, and we went out on the road with slogans, with street plays, and we told them that yes, Shivaji Nagar can be clean.
We have made our own posters and many things, banners. We took those and roam the whole Shivaji Nagar. We gave cloth bags to the shopkeepers so that they don't use the polythene and use the cloth bags.
It was children's idea. It was their movement. They started it. So when they understand that something as simple as this thing, they wanted to go out, they wanted to clean their community, they wanted to grow plants in their community. Something as simple as that, if they understand that they can bring such a big impact, they can get people from all the homes and bring them out on the streets with the politicians. Somewhere I think they understand the value of it, and they believe that they can bring a change, they can make a strong impact.
And also there was a lot of communication gap in our school. There were 2-3 sections in our school, the primary section, the secondary, and the pre-primary. But the real problem was the 3 section used to happen in different time slots, and they never used to communicate. So we told that why can't we communicate together and share our best practices? With this idea, we started a meeting called the Share and Care meeting. In the Share and Care meeting, our main objective was sharing means caring. If you share stuffs with others, that means you care about others. Why can't we share our good practices with others? So in this meeting, we brought people from outside. We discussed about new things like activity-based learning, and we also learned about new methods of teaching which is used throughout the world. And through this, the teachers got motivated, and it reflected in the classroom.
ऐसा एक स्टेज मिला है अभी हमें कि हर मंथ में जो हम लोग हाफ डे यूज़ करते हैं, तो उसमें हम सब लोग शेयर कर सकते हैं कि प्राइमरी में क्या चालू है, प्री प्राइमरी में क्या चालू है, मैनेजमेंट को क्या अपेक्षा है हमसे, हम लोग को क्या मतलब हमारी नेसेसरी हमें क्या है वो मैनेजमेंट से मांग सकते हैं. नहीं तो इंडिविजुअल क्या होता है, इंडिविजुअल कोई टीचर तो ये काम नहीं कर सकता है, लेकिन जब मीटिंग में वो पॉइंट आता है, प्रिंसिपल मैडम रहते सब टीचर्स होते हैं, तो उसमें अभी एक स्टेज तो हमें अच्छा मिल गया है कि इसमें हम लोग सब शेयर कर सकते हैं।
अभी ऐसा हो गया, एक साल पहले की बात जो है ना, एक साल से अभी तक का, तो प्रिंसिपल हो चाहे स्टाफ हो, जो है हमारे बाकी जो भी सभी मिलजुल के काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग, एक परिवार जैसे काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग। अभी ऐसा नहीं देख रहे कि स्टाफ है या मैं मैनेजमेंट हूँ, एक उनमें से एक मेंबर हूँ, मैं एज ए मेंबर हूँ, वो हिसाब से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ अभी।
तो एक दूसरे के बीच में कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा हो गया और दे मिंगल विथ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी टीचर्स, इवन प्री प्राइमरी टीचर्स ऑल्सो।
Being the pre-primary teacher, in the meetings I've seen share and care. It's like mixing of the students with the teachers.
शेयर एंड केयर मीटिंग जब होती है तब हर मंथ में उस टीचर का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। बड़ा अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि हम तो ऐसे नॉर्मली हम घर पे ऐसे सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते हैं, बट स्कूल में आके सेलिब्रेट करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग होती है, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
Another thing was the school was missing with basic amenities like drinking water. So we thought that why can't we put a water filter in this classroom, in the school? And why this was? Because we were finding that many parents were coming up with complaints of many water-related diseases. So we thought that why can't we put a filter? So we started putting a filter inside, and now the kids and the parents and the community uses this place of drinking water, and they are extremely happy about this.
And something as basic as, you know, clean drinking water, if they don't have that, and they will obviously keep falling sick again and again, which will definitely affect their attendance, which will definitely affect their education and classroom performance. So all these things, you cannot ignore them. You can't say that, okay, I mean, it's just drinking water, they can get it from their home, you know. You can't say that, because somewhere if you see, all these things are linked and connected with each other.
Another thing was the teachers were focused on teaching the syllabus. So we thought that why can't the kids learn new books? Though the kids were very excited, I went into their classroom, I asked them, and most of the kids told that yes, we want new books, we want a library. So this idea came from the kids. So we started a library, we took up a place, and now it is in place, and within a month the library will start functioning. And there are 2,000 books, and I hope that within a few months more books are going to come. And this library will help them to get further knowledge and reference books from here.
लाइब्रेरी तो हर स्कूल के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, स्पेशली हमारे स्कूल में तो जब से मैं आया हूँ तब लाइब्रेरी नहीं थी, बट इस साल लाइब्रेरी की शुरुआत हुई है, तो मुझे बहुत उम्मीद है इस लाइब्रेरी से कि आगे जाके बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव बात रहेगा, बच्चों के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा।
The hypothesis which I took was school transformation can bring change and development in a quality of education. The school transformation can enhance the quality of education, and through these projects we have found that yes, it is possible through infrastructural development, through teacher motivation, through sharing and caring, we can enhance the quality of education in a school.